Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Joseph. I'm going to show you how to quickly develop the REST API using WSO2 version 4 API Manager. Then try to navigate this localhost 9443 publisher APIs. Then you can start developing the REST API from scratch. Let us just say my API name cache withdrawal API. So the context input should be provided. It should be related to the business requirement. Let us just say our business requirements is withdrawal. Then V1. Take note that this API will be exposed in withdrawal/V1 context at the gateway. Since we don't have a existing endpoint, then we can use Mocky to generate the API response. Then navigate to this website, designermocky.io. This is for free. Then you can start designing your Mac. Then you don't have to wait for the backend to be ready. Okay, click on your Mac. Then we have HTTP status, response content type, then charge it. I'm going to provide the HTTP response body. I have example data here, 200 pesos transaction amount. I have withdrawal transaction type, message, as well as status. Then I'm going to choose expire in 1 day. It's up to you. I'm going to generate my HTTP response. Now it's success. I'm going to verify first if this is working or not. I'm going to see what will be expected the output. I got the success response. Then just copy the whole URL, then paste it, and then choose to create and publish. You have to successfully deploy the API. Okay, you have overview information such as metadata, configurations, and endpoint. Then develop, endpoint, business plan, deploy, test, publish. All of them are green. But your business plans unlimited. If you don't want to use this one, unlimited requests for API to be executed by anyone or any developers or any user, because it will also affect your server performance. So I have to change this one. Okay, so let's go to the subscription. Don't choose this one. Then provide these options to the developers so that they can choose bronze, gold, or silver. Okay, then let's save. Click on the basic info. I'm going to expose API to the developer portal visibility, public, otherwise this one. Okay, runtime. We don't have HTTP here because we are using HTTPS run Mocky. Okay, next, leave the REST item by default. Resources. This is the resources for the configurations like get, put, post, delete, patch. So I don't need to use this one as well as this one. So I have to use the get method. Okay. So operation level means that you're going to use the specific methods such as get, put, post, delete, and patch. For in terms of API level, regardless the number of operations that you have, such as get, put, post method, that means you are providing the limit number of requests for the API, regardless the operations. Okay, so for example, I'm going to choose this one operation level, then click on get. I'm going to choose security, then change to 10k requests per minute for the operations. This is not the same with the business this is not the same with the business API request limiting policy. Okay, this is another one we have. Okay, save. Then I'm going to try out, so I don't need to use the deployment because my API is already published. If you have a changes, then click on this deployment and then click on deploy new revision. Then click on, this is the gateway. Okay, success. If you wanted to roll back the changes, just click on restore to revision 1. Okay, then you can delete one, but it's not necessary to delete the revision 1 and 2 because you wanted to use to the backup in case the revision 2 is not working. Okay, click on try out. So don't forget to generate the internal API key to authorize the API execution. Remember that I have enabled the security here. Okay, generate API key, then click on try it out, click on the execute button. So I was able to get the success response. Okay, if you wanted to remove the internal API key, remember you have the 17 hours to expire. If you wanted to remove this one, it will not work. Okay, try to click on this one. So missing credentials. Okay, right guys, so we have here again develop, deploy, test, and publish. So just the last one. If you wanted to block the API so that developer will not be able to execute this API. If you wanted to duplicate the API, instead of removing this API, it will not affect their existing applications while using this API. Okay, so they will be informed once you set this to deprecate, then they have a plan to change this one. Okay, if you have any questions about API publisher, let me know. Okay, we have another session after this step. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.